Hi, I'm Craig Worth. I'm the National Sales Manager for BoilerMag, and today I'm going to show you our industrial commercial products suitable for larger premises, schools, hospitals, hotels, etc. So we have two different styles of filter in the industrial sector. We have this product here, which is the BoilerMag XL. Just comes with 1.5-inch BSP tappings. And on here we have our heavier industrial filter, which we call the XT. Now this comes in numerous shapes and sizes, from 2-inch pipework, which we have here today, up to 12-inch pipework is available from stock in Sheffield. So two common traits between the products are these are both stainless steel products, so they can handle pressure up to 12 bar and 150 degrees C. They can both be used on heating circuits, but also on chiller circuits as well, where we do have problems with magnetite and associated damages. So the whole purpose of these two industrial filters is to take the magnetite or sludge out of your heating systems commercially. First of all, I'm going to show you the XL. As I've said before, this just comes in one size and it has the 1.5-inch BSP connection. So more times than not, the pipe work going into the XL will be either 35mm or 42mm copper. And then what we do is just get 1.5 inch bush here and then go down to your pipe size. I'm going to start taking it apart here. So we've just got the 4 bolts or 4 nuts on top of the unit. All BoilerMag commercial filters have a manual air vent that is fitted with the factory fittings, but we do give you all the opportunity of swapping the manual air vent out, and every box has an automatic air vent in with the box, so that will automatically take the air out of the system, which of course is problematic with rust. And as we show here on the XT, we've got the AAV already in situ to show you, so you've got the option manual or auto air vent, all free of charge in the packaging. Let me just finish putting the nuts off the top here. Okay. So as you can see here, we have a fantastic high quality large magnetic core. Like the domestic products behind me, we boast dual flow, and what we do with the water on the return, we push it against this side of the magnet on the inlet. The water then passes the magnet on this side, comes underneath, and then of course it will pass the magnet for the second time before going through the outlet. So dual flow technology is what we use on the XL. So this will take out all magnetic debris from the system, all your ferrous oxide, etc. And what we have here on the bottom of the XL is a non-ferrous collector or strainer. So that will take out any rubbish in the system. Anything non-magnetic will be captured here. So when the pump's switched off, any dirt that's been blocked here will drop into the bottom of the drain, and then quite simply, to service, you would undo the drain cock here, put a bucket underneath to take the dirty water, and then reassemble once the magnet has been cleaned. So that is quite simply the XL. You can have flow in either direction. All we do, there's a flow diagram on the top of the unit here, so you can either turn it one way or the other depending on which way the flow's coming. The reason we do that is because we want the flow hitting this side of the magnet, coming down here and then coming underneath through the basket, rather than debris going into the basket. So that's why we do what we do. So once you've scraped the dirt or the magnetite into a bucket, we can then reassemble, and it's as good as new. So I shall then drop this back in. We have a seal on top which is a Viton seal, so it's very durable. It's stronger than rubber, so you know, spare parts on this product are very minimal. We've literally got the one seal on the top, and I'll leave the nuts there for now. The next product we're going to look at is what we call the XT range. Like I say, it comes on 2-inch pipe work all the way up to 12. So we have denominators of 2-inch, 2.5 inch, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 inch available from Sheffield. Stainless steel design again, and both of these products are what we call full flow magnets. 100% of the system water will pass through our industrial filters to take more dirt out on the single pass. This product here boasts up to 99% dirt collection on the very first pass the water goes through the filter. So it's excellent quality and superb performance. What we would recommend on here to isolate the pot for servicing is a pair of butterfly valves so that you can isolate the pot for servicing and cleaning. So once we turn the butterfly valves off, we can then empty the pot through the drain cock into a bucket to empty all the dirty water that's still in the pot. And then what we do is put the drain cock back in position, and then quite simply on top of the unit here we have this nut here, which I'll take off like so. And then we've got 3 parts to this product. We have the most important bit, which is the magnets. So this is a 2-inch version, so we've got 5 magnets, but the bigger the pot, the more magnetic rods will be in situ. And as you can see, these magnetic rods are right in direct line with the flow and the outlet of the water. So like I said, 100% of the water in the system will have to go past these magnets. If the first magnet doesn't capture, the second will. If the second doesn't, the third, and so on and so on. So it's a real fail-safe product to put on your heating circuit or chiller circuit. So that's your magnetic core. Inside here we have the sheaths, which of course that's where the magnetite will be stuck to. So we just have the 6 bolts on here, which we can undo, and then I can get access to the nickel plated sheaths, so that you know, if you want to, we can scrape the internal magnets off. So this product here then just lifts out, and as you can see here, this is where the magnetic pieces slot into the nickel plated sheaths. So if you want to really clean the system, what we can do is obviously scrape each one of these sheaths like so, and that is the final part of the puzzle. Stainless steel design, the sheaths here, and the magnetic rods that fit inside. So it's a very simplistic product. It's very durable, and like I say, suitable up to 12 bar pressure or 150 degrees C. For cleaning, we have 2 options. We can do what we've just done here and take the 2 parts away from the unit, but what we would recommend to make it a little bit quicker is simply take out the magnetic rods after we've turned the unit off using the isolating butterfly valves. Put the magnets to one side, keep the bucket with the open drain cock open. And what I would do personally is then just open the inlet water, let the incoming water come in and wash off the sheaths. So all that dirt that's collected on the sheath will just fall straight into the bucket underneath. Once we're happy that the water's flowing clear, we can then shut off the isolating valve, reintroduce the magnetic cores into the unit, put the nut on top here, and then open both sides, and the filter's back doing what it's designed to do. To complement the range, we also do industrial sized inhibitor, cleaner, hand antifreeze, etc. We've got the whole chemical selection available, and also I haven't got one here today, but we do have the insulation jackets to suit both the XT range and the XL. Of course, that will insulate the pot to reduce heat loss. But also, if we've got extreme hot water going through these units, it can act as an anti-scald jacket as well. They're all available in Sheffield. I hope you've liked what you've seen today. Any questions on the XL or the XT, please go onto our website at www.boilermag.com, and that should be able to answer any further questions that you may have. Thank you for listening to me. I hope it's been of interest, and we hope to speak to you soon. Thank you.